Observe the orientation of the grip ring inside the grip ring housing. The wide end of the grip ring should be seated up against the cone end of the housing. Once the position for the centralizer has been established, the first grip ring can be snapped into place about 3 inches from the center of where the centralizer is intended to be, with the wide end of the grip ring facing away from the centralizer. After the first grip ring is in place, the assembly clamp can then be placed on the pipe. Now the grip ring housing can be placed over the grip ring. While holding both pieces of the grip ring housing, slide the assembly clamp up against the housing and tighten the T-handle bolts snugly against the pipe. Slide the centralizer over the grip ring housing. Place the second grip ring with the wide end facing away from the centralizer about 1.5 inches or about 2 finger spaces away from the centralizer. Remove the assembly clamp and reposition it on the other side of the second grip ring. Place the grip ring housing over the second grip ring. Position the assembly clamp up against the grip ring housing. Holding the T-handle bolts, push the grip ring and the housing into the centralizer. The assembly is now complete.